small representation of my files in a certain folder. So in this next app, you just go to the URL that you want to check, and it then recursively checks for the size of all the files and then shows you all the folders with the files, and big files are actually more width, have more width, so that way you can see whether or not they are big and how big they are. So as you can see, for example, then in this folder here, the docs are 50 megabytes, and by the way, files smaller than 1 megabyte are not shown here. Files and folders, and yeah, so the modules folder you can see is 136 megabytes, and this is the reason. And this is really great for me because now I can finally see why sometimes it's so slow to upload to GitHub. So it's pretty nice. As you can see, there were apparently a couple of big files like this. I didn't even know that my database was so big. This is a really good observation that I have now, and yeah, it will really help me to improve the code base further. As you can see, there are some pretty big files somewhere, and I can definitely make it smaller by removing some of them. So if you want to try this, let me know. It's probably a lot of things that can be improved here, UI wise, but yeah, I like it. Thanks.